morning. Let's start the Oxford Syllabus of Mathematics, Book 4, Exercise 6C, Chapter number 6, Further Trigonometry, Question number 10. In the figure, RST is a straight line. Angle PST is equal to 90 degree. Angle SPR is equal to 63 degree. Angle PSQ is equal to 54 degree. PS is equal to 4.3 centimeter and ST is equal to 5.7 centimeter. Let's start the question with the help of the diagram. As this is 6C, question number 10. Let's make the diagram. This is 90 degree. Here is another angle. This is P, Q, R, S, T. This length is 4.3 centimeter. This angle is 54 degree. This angle is 63 degree. And this ST length is 5.7 centimeter. First part is if Q is parallel to PT. This is not parallel. The first question is not solvable. Number second, find the length of PR. Opposite to PR we have angle 54 and this one. If this is 90 degrees, this is the reflex angle RT 180 degree. RT is 180 degree and we have this is 90 degree, this is 54 degree. We easily can find out the half angle of S. So let's start with the help of 180 degree. 180 minus 90 minus 54 is equals to 36 degree. So angle S is equals to 36 degree and this is 54, this is 63 and this half Q is equals to 54 plus 63 minus 180 minus this is 180 minus 54 minus 63 is equals to 63. So angle Q is equals to 63 degree and this is reflex angle PR 180 degree. If this is 63 then the half Q is 180 minus 63. Let's find out this angle. 180 minus 63 is equals to 117. So angle Q is equals to 117 and from this S and this Q we easily find out angle R. Angle Q plus angle S plus angle R is equals to 180 degree. Angle Q is 117 in this triangle, this one, plus angle S is 36 degree plus angle R we need it is equals to 180 degree. 117 plus 36 is equals to 153. 180 minus answer 27 degree. So angle R is equals to 180 minus 153. So angle R is equals to 27 degree. Now we have angle R, and opposite to angle R in this big right angle triangle we have 4.3 side, and we need this side PR, and opposite to this we have 90 degree angle. 54 plus 36, 54 plus 36, this is 90 degree. 90 degree opposite to PR, and R angle is opposite to 4.3. Now we can easily apply the sine rule. Angle small r over sine r is equals to s over sine s. R value is 4.3 centimeter divided by sine r is 27 degree is equals to S is equals to PR, the required question, and divided by sine S is sine 90 degree. Now this sine 90 degree will shift to the left side. 4.3 centimeter multiplied by sine 90 degree divided by sine 27 degree is equals to PR. Let's take the calculations. Sine 90 degree is equals to 1 multiplied by 4.3 is equals to 4.3 divided by sine 27 is equals to 9.47. 9.47 centimeter is equals to PR. Third part is we need to know find the length of QS. QS, opposite to QS we have the angle P 63 degree, and opposite to 4.3 we have the angle Q is half Q is 63 degree. By putting the values we easily can find out the side QS. Let's start the question. P over sine P is equals to Q over sine Q. By putting the values we have opposite to P is QS. QS divided by sine P is 63 degree is equals to Q. Opposite to Q, Q side is 4.3. 4.3 divided by Q angle is 63 degree, half Q. Sine 63 degree. Now this sine 63 will shift to the right side. So QS is equals to sine 63 multiplied by 4.3 centimeter divided by sine 63 degree. This sine 63 will cut by this sine 63. So QS is equals to 4.3 centimeter. This is the answer of the third part. The solution is complete. This was the whole question. If you need any help, any type of query, then let me know. And if you like my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.